Hey there. Today we're going to take a look at this McCulloch Model 47. It's early 50s. It's one of the first one-man McCullochs to be made with the diaphragm carburetor, so you can run it in all positions. Before that, they were float-style carburetors where you were unable to turn the saw sideways to cut a tree down. So this one here is one of the first ones. The first model was a 325. This is a 47, and basically there's your carburetor with the bowl on the side, and this here is your primer button. You give it a couple shots before you start it. This is the lean and rich mixture. You turn this side to side to richen it or lean it out. This is the oil pump for oiling the bar. There's your gearbox and your sight glass. This here, here's your chain oil fill, and this would be the fill for your gearbox. And the saw's in pretty good shape. The bar has the McCulloch logo on it with the 3 geese. It's also on the other side. The muffler's in great shape. It's not all burned out. The fallen spikes has a decent set of fallen spikes on it. All the tin and the saw itself is in cosmetically, it's needs to be painted and gone through, but it's in good physical shape. Here's the other side of the bar. You can kind of see the emblem there. Then here's the gearbox. The chain's in good shape. You can see the oiler's working. This here is where your points are. I did away with the points, put a electronic module in it, which is located behind here. The coil sits under here. Here's your on-off right here, and behind there's a little small electronic module that I added to it to do away with the points, which is pretty much the biggest problem you'll have with these saws. But the tank has a fuel filter inside of it that you have to take the tank off and take it apart to change your filter. But it's a popular saw. There's quite a few of them out there. You'll see quite a few on eBay. I also have this one that I'm going to be selling on there. This is a 430. It's from the same series. This saw here is going to need a little bit of attention. I know it doesn't have spark, but it's pretty complete. Pulls over nice. The bar is slightly longer than the bar on this saw, and the overall though it's a complete saw. So this one will be on there at the same time as this 47. It's missing the cover for the flywheel, but and the 47, there's your serial plate. The serial number is a 34452, and there's model 47.